Hi, I'm Patty Hosmer. Today our experiment is with Oreo cookies. Now I do realize, I don't think they call them double stuff anymore. Might be mega the stuff, but it's the same principle. And also, if you're gluten-free, they have gluten-free double stuff and regular Oreos. Okay, Oreo cookies. Science is delicious. An integrated science and math lab. So when they tell you, you should teach some math in your science class, here's one. All right, state the problem. Is double stuffed cookies really double the stuff? So if it's mega, change it to mega. Our questions to find out if the cream in the middle is double in the double stuffed cookies compared to the regular Oreo cookies. So you're gather the information. You're gonna make sure you have the materials, a scale. Now they have the digital scales. I had balance scale. Paper towels, regular Oreo cookies, double stuffed Oreo cookies, something to scrape the inside of the cookie with, plastic knife. Okay. You're going to form a hypothesis. What do you think will happen? I think the Oreo's double stuffed cookies are double the stuff. I think Oreo's double stuffed cookies are not double the stuff. I think they are equal. We will conduct a survey. How many think yes, double, or no, not double or equal? What percent for each? And then you're going to perform the experiment. Okay? After you have your hypothesis, you're going to perform the experiment, scrape. Make sure you weigh the paper towel and then weigh it with the inside of the cookie as much as you can. And then you're going to write down your results. Okay, so paper towel weight, analyze the data. Regular Oreo cookie cream weight, you're going to do 3 of them to make sure. And then you're going to subtract the weight of the paper towel. Paper towel weight again, double stuffed, and then subtract the weight of the paper towel. Okay, analyze the data. How will we find out what double the stuff is? Weight of the regular Oreo cookie cream, if double, it should weigh at least, and then you would just put what it should be, and then look at your average. Take an average of your 3 trials and tell me what the average is. So you're going to add all 3 up and divide by 3, and that would be your average. And what are the difference in weight? And is it double the stuff? For the most part, it really was. So if you do this, you'll see there's going to be some variation. And then we talk about what the difference in variation is. I mean, even though it's a machine making these cookies most of the time, it could have a little bit off, right? So if you like this lesson and would like a copy for free, email me with the title and I'll send it. And if you could like and follow, I would appreciate it. Thank you.